December, they will start affixing the stamp. He said he's committed to work with us, and that by December, we will come here and see that the stamps, they are affixed. Until we see that tax stamps are affixed, or they can go to the Commissioner General and have discussion with him. If he approves, we are comfortable with that. But until then, our officers will be here and make sure products without tax stamp don't go to the market. GRA, we are not okay because they've been shifting the goalpost, and we want compliance now or never.